we have potential for survivable conditions.
From the beginning, firefighters knew anyone trapped inside this burning home probably would not survive, but they did find a victim and tried to save her. KENS 5's Sue Kalberg has the details on the loss of a life and a home on the west side.
The fire commander says he thinks the fire started here on the north side of the building, and with 20-mile-an-hour wind gusts, they had a fight on their hands.
We've got fully involved on this Charlie side.
Firefighters found flames roaring into the night sky when they got to the corner of Monterey and South Cibolo at 4 a.m.
Well, we definitely have some power lines down on the fire ground.
Live wires and high winds didn't stop them, though, from trying to save a woman said to be trapped inside.
Trying to complete a search on this building.
Where we actually went inside and searched. We did find one adult female.
They made an aggressive effort to revive the woman and rushed her to the hospital, but she died. Neighbors say the home had been boarded up, so they believe the woman may have been seeking shelter from the cold. The medical examiner is still working to identify her. Many times when the fire damage is this intense, it's hard for investigators to figure out exactly what happened. So there's been no ruling yet on a cause for this fire. In West San Antonio, Sue Kalberg, KENS 5.
Thanks so much, Sue.